Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Keystone Bullet line of travel trailers. These ultralight RVs bring a luxury look and feel at the lightest possible weight. This makes them easier to tow and able to be towed by a half-ton pickup or certain floor plans by a large SUV. They range in length from almost 24.5 feet to 36 feet and from about 4,000 pounds to a little over 7,000 pounds. There are 18 floor plans in total. All but one of these models features a queen bed at the front of the unit. The model that doesn't is the 202 BHS-WE. This unit is a small bunk model and features a Murphy bed at the front of the RV. There are 9 other bunk models which all feature bunks in various configurations at the rear of the unit. The 211 BHS-WE and 243 BHS have the rear bunks located on the camp side at the back of the trailer. The 247 BHS-WE, 273 BHS, and 290 BHS-WE have the bunks on the off-camp side of the RV. The 287 QBS, 308 BHS, and 331 BHS all have bunks to either side of the rear of the RV, with the 308 BHS and 331 BHS having one of the bunks in a slide-out over a futon or flip-over seating. The last bunk model is the 330 BHS. This model has the bunks across the back wall. When it comes to non-bunk models, there are 8 non-bunk models in total. The 210 RUD-WE is one of the few models to be offered without slide-outs, yet it still manages to fit a large U-shaped dinette in the rear of the camper next to a campside kitchen. The 212 RBS-WE and 257 RSS have small slide-outs with just a dinette. The 221 RBS adds the refrigerator to its slide. The 248 RKS offers a sofa, end table, and wardrobe to its slide. The 261 RBS, 265 RBI-WE, and 291 RLS all offer a sofa and dinette in their single slide-outs. All of the bunk and non-bunk models feature a full kitchen and bathroom. The 330 BHS even offers 2 bathrooms, one full bath and another half bath. Let's move on to the features of this line of travel trailers. Keystone really shines here with the features and options. The exterior of the Keystone Bullet can be equipped with magnetic storage door catches, a powered tongue jack, fiberglass front cap, pegboard pass-through storage on some models, an enclosed and heated underbelly, an outdoor kitchen on select models. Inside, you'll be able to enjoy a powerful 13,500 BTU AC, Bluetooth stereo with DVD player, stainless steel sink, durable continuous edge kitchen countertops, a large dream dinette, residential style furniture, LED interior lighting, and solid wood cabinets. The Keystone Bullet allows you to have the convenience of a super lightweight trailer and all the luxuries of home while you're on the road or at the campground. With this unit, you can enjoy camping like you never have before.